Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change your subtitle settings in Destiny 2. Let's begin by opening the Game Options menu. Press the Escape key, this button right here, or the corresponding button on your controller. Then open the Settings menu. Make sure you're in the Gameplay tab. Right here, under the blue tag, is the Subtitles menu. Click on Subtitles option. Right here, you can change the subtitles, turn it language-based on or off. You can show the speaker name, turn this on or off. Change the text size to small, extra small, or medium as the default, large and extra large. You can see all the changes right here, as you can see. And I will go with medium. You can change the text color. You can change the speaker name color. You can change the background style from faded to box to drop shadow to outline. I will go with an outline. And you can change the background opacity from low to medium to high to full. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.